Origami is the art of perfect folding, and that's why we use it as a symbol for our campaign. With our Perfect Fold liquid creaser, you can fold corrugated cardboard precisely and easily and without any cracks. And we demonstrate that with this cobot. This is a carton and it's not creased at all. And if we put it here and start the cobot, it's going to apply the creasing fluid. Speed up now. Now we can take it out, and now we can fold it along the lines into a box quite easily. Put something in the box. And voila. Folding made easy.